Cordial saludo and tutor. Identification. Diamond Supermarket case. Student name Rubén Dario Castro. Date my time building problem. No having ambition, unclear objectives that allowed in the focus the company strategy. Leadership problems. There is no clear person, world leads, organization, each of the areas the macro in the supermarket, causing this or affect total productivity. Change manage problem. The fear of adapting the commercial competition that come in the municipality, this affecting the vision and the business. Conflict problems. The no certification on product before state entities affect the credibility in the supermarket. Innovation problems. The supermarket directives do not have an crash plan in the face of the situation presented actually. Thank you.